All right, good afternoon. Just when you think you've got a handle on this market, comes back and bites you in the butt. And we've been talking about this for a little bit here, and basically, what we are seeing is a continuous move up and down in this market. And here's really what we've seen: we opened here, closed up here, went down, then we went down, up, down, up. And so we continue to have a market here. Again, we went from once we found this new high here around 1500, busted out here up to 1506, traded back to a low here of 1491, held the 1490, rallied then to a new high on Friday on the jobs number back to 1510. After the jobs looked so poor, the market rallied, and then on Monday we gapped down. There was really no news except for Europe sold off. And we continued back down to that 1490 level, which holds again. And then today we have a big gap up again on no news. We had closed at 1492 or 3, opened up this morning at 1499, and proceeded to make another new high in this market, all the way up here to 1511. So where does this leave us? And then at the end of the day, they crammed them all down, and we came back into value right around 1505. And after hours right now, trading around 1506. So if you aren't confused to begin with, like we have been for the last few weeks, as we continue to continue the rally that we've seen since the fiscal cliff was averted on 12/30. We are now up from the low of 1380 all the way up here to 1511, which is a 10% move. So we're up 10% now since December 30th, and the markets continue to grind upwards. So every day now we've kind of changed. We went up, down, up, down, up. Tomorrow, is it down? Who knows? I don't know. You got to be careful out there. You got to pick your spots. We were able to take a couple points out of the spoos today with really nothing sexy. We were selling up in that 1508 level. We ended up covering it at the close. We took a little bit of heat, 3 points of heat, but we had our stops around 1512. We said, prove us wrong. And in fact, the market again, once again, the faders control this market. Whether we're testing 1490 or we're testing a new high like we did again today of 1511. We made another tick high and couldn't hold it. So to me, the faders market continues to be in place, even though we are now up 10% in the time since December 30th, all the way up here February 5th. So faders are in control. Be careful out there. Don't overstay your welcome in this market. Nobody is in control, whether it's bulls or bears. I would say over the last 2 weeks, we are stuck in this category of 1490 to 1511, we'll call it now. Until we close outside of this area, be careful. We're in a ping pong range, and nothing is being determined. Maybe we can work off the overbought condition. The more time we spend up here near 1500 without breaking 1490, that's important. So keep this in play, and we'll see you on the other side. Peace. Join us, misstrade.info.